Hello YouTube, and here's dog against this little chew toy here. See it? Hey. I don't like dog one. See, it's shaping a dog and it says wolf. Okay, here we go. Oh, well, look at him. He likes me now. Oh, see you, YouTube. Anyway. See you, YouTube, once again. See ya. This is my video that I've not... Well, this is my first video that I've actually made in a long time. So anyway, see you, YouTube.